sit down to work, open your laptop, and tell yourself, alright, this time I'm actually locking in. 10 minutes later, you've checked your phone, opened 6 tabs, replied to a message, looked something up that had absolutely nothing to do with your work, and somehow you're watching a video about a guy restoring a 1970s lawnmower. And the worst part is, you actually wanted to work. So, what happened? You didn't suddenly become lazy. Your brain has gotten extremely good at escaping anything that feels even slightly uncomfortable. And if you want your focus back, you need to fix the actual problem instead of just yelling "discipline" at yourself. 1. Find your escape trigger. Most people think distraction happens randomly, but usually there's a moment right before it. You don't know how to solve something. The work gets boring. You make a mistake, and suddenly your hand is reaching for your phone like it's been summoned by ancient magic. So next time you catch yourself switching tasks, don't immediately fight the distraction. Notice what happened right before it, because if you know what your brain is trying to escape, you can actually fix the problem. If the task is unclear, define the next action. If it's too difficult, break it down. If it's boring, use shorter work blocks. 2. Stop making your work harder than it needs to be. Your desk is messy, your files are everywhere, you don't know what you're supposed to do first, and you have 12 things competing for attention. Then you wonder why your brain says, yeah, let's do literally anything else. Before you finish working today, set up tomorrow's first task. Open the document, put the book on your desk, write down exactly what you're going to do. That way, tomorrow you don't have to figure out how to start while already trying to focus. 3. Use an attention budget. You don't have unlimited high-quality attention every day. If you spend the first 3 hours jumping between TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and random internet nonsense, don't be shocked when your brain suddenly refuses to read 10 pages of a textbook. You've already spent your attention. Don't waste your freshest mental energy consuming other people's content, and then complain that you have nothing left for your own goals. 4. Stop using entertainment as a reward every 5 minutes. You work for 10 minutes, then check your phone, finish 1 paragraph, watch a video. Every uncomfortable moment gets followed by something stimulating. Instead, let yourself experience a little discomfort without immediately rewarding it. Finish the block first, then take the break. You're teaching your brain that discomfort isn't an emergency. 5. Make your focus physical. Don't just rely on mental effort. Change your environment. Use headphones if sound distracts you. Have one place where you do deep work consistently. Your bed says sleep, your couch says relax, and if your desk has become a place where you scroll, eat, game, and occasionally do 3 minutes of work, well, your brain isn't exactly going to respect the desk as a productivity temple. That's it. So if you feel like you can't focus anymore, don't assume your brain is broken. Look at what you've been training it to do, and then start training it differently.